Hi everybody, it's Crafty Rhea. I'm here today because I got some happy mail. This is from my friend Vicky. She's a fellow YouTuber and she is in Canada. I entered a giveaway on her YouTube channel and I was one of the winners. Actually, I was one of the redraw winners because one of the original winners did not send in their address. So here is my package, and I'm really excited to open it with you here. She has really pretty writing. So here it is. We're going to open it together. Let's get started. Some scissors. I'm just going to open the side. She wrapped it in this nice brown paper. I haven't seen that done in a long time. Oh, it's in a really pretty box. Wow. Congratulations. Look at that box. That is awesome. I'm going to keep that. That is for sure. I love the box. No wonder she wrapped it in the paper. That is so cool. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's go. Oh, she wrapped in pretty yellow paper. Love it. All right. So the first thing we have here are some really pretty flowers. They're really cool from Jolie's Boutique. Very, very cool. I like them. Definitely be able to use those. Oh, I think she sent a card. So there's a card. And let me read it off camera. Okay, it just says, congratulations on your win. Really happy that you contacted me. Enjoy the goodies. And she puts her little stamp on the back. And if you watch her videos, she makes a lot of recycled cards. She loves to use up her stash, and she does recycled Christmas cards too, which is one thing that I love to do. So that's really pretty. That's a very pretty embellishment in the center. All right, so thank you, Vicky. And she loves stickers. So here we have some SpongeBob stickers. They'll be really fun. I like them. They're kind of like holographic and pretty. They're really cool. And then we have these from Jolie's Boutique. They're dimensional stickers. They are dolphins, which is really cool. I go on a lot of cruises and we're going to Florida. So for sure I'll be able to use these on something. They are really cool. They're like plastic, I guess. And their eyes are rhinestones. It's really pretty. And then we have this little Studio G mini stamp set. And those are really cool. It's actually kind of similar to the card she sent. That's really neat. So those are really cool for cards and so on. I have a lot of the Studio G stamps. They're very cool. I don't know if they still make them anymore. And then the last thing in the box is this journal. It is a felt cover notebook. And it has a deer on it, maybe a moose. If it's a moose, I don't believe it's a moose, so it's going to have to be a deer because I don't believe in moose. All right. Oh, and it has that pretty charm. And it's felt. It's really nice. And it's just full of plain paper. I like it. I'm not sure what I'll use it for yet to journal, or maybe alter it and make some sort of a neat journal. I'll have to see what's out there. But that's really cool. I'll definitely put that to good use. Well, there we go. And I love the box. That's really cool. Thank you so much, Vicky. I'm so glad I was one of your winners and I got to win some goodies and that you were generous enough to ship to the US. I know how expensive that can be. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you get out there and enter some giveaways. And by the way, once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a small giveaway. So please make sure you subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe so we can get there faster. And maybe you can win a box from me. So please give me a thumbs up and give me a comment below and subscribe. I'll see you all later. You guys take care. Bye.